registration of the teachers is essentially in the area of quality, ensuring that the people who can teach and embody the best practices are the ones who are in the classroom. So if we have somebody who is going to introduce individuals who did not go through the process, then they would really be undermining the quality we are seeking to bring about. And what has happened is kids have completed junior high school, they can read and they can do basic manipulations, which is very sad. It is not their fault. They went to a school where various factors, including the teacher factor, did not help the process. So we have a responsibility as an agency to transform the teacher factor of it. If it is teachers alone, we will do that. We are looking between 3 to 5 years. First year, the beginning teacher will take 1 year. You go through an induction period. You work under a mentor, and they guide you, they show you the ropes, the landmines in the teaching profession. And then you'll be evaluated, both at the school level, at the circuit level, and then the National Teaching Council. We may request participants to write an exam, to build a portfolio, to attend an interview, a host of things to ensure that professionally we adjudge the person as competent to become a teacher. Then, after that, those who are in service, your license between 3 and 5 years, and we will determine based on rank. And on the basis of that, it means you have to do the job of a teacher. You have to then do your professional development courses and programs and participate in all the things that are prescribed at the rank that you have attained in order for you to get your license renewed.
Eti yenu anu teacher for no monkasa adwuma minimum ana na eyo ana say maje
ana wo pesika so
maje sabbatical leave intino
wo pesika so
mejaye
wo pe fancy
we so no ko training on say o me subject ni hu into training on say we
sa training for tantan no ya wo kwa na ma wiesis form mu ana ya the chance yes ma pampa me say me fan tria na me junior no wa the chance PSY go to the end there am say tria me try han kra me mu
training college there ne kwa ya papa but o shebi ne entity bi a otumi de wo ho fa mu a wo be wi
da ho ho aba na ye pra afeni ye pra ka kwam ye tumi twi gota ye white na wo twim na nipa ne na mo apoto teacher for brew going through all this hardship we are na ye de sika fia wa bi ya podom nsem better na unya ye
wane so eti ene teacher for na ye bisa say ntimu akaro say ye license about person fi odeba no but mama can say Obronyi Bese has been on the table for a very long time. Ghana Education Friends and Council womu teacher ni bia appointment letter to teacher ni bia ye be ma appointment letter September bia wo go school wo chira de foforo no wo say ya tro from the Ghana Education Council womu na ma utumi so ko chira de and they almost had the license why enya de bonnet
because teacher for ni bia bro papa bia bro ankasa be ya lesson note one ya be da wo hu sampanyfo ba fe no die me
lesson note to require them me kan kwan tina me jai
yes na den
enya say den ehun
esi
me dey be education is for me here o be me be come da no me can be papa be frame me and I'm sorry I'm now say we see the GS omo nya omo adwen say omo be changes kakra omo nya omo the old way of doing things
omo de kolo
lesson notes you try yeah be the teacher for draw say omo tro wi a omo dudu say no omo use lesson notes no
kolo there's a nipa ya tian ho dey
because why a scheme for the term now the topics are better at every time say obi a offer integrated science so introduction to
integrated science
nuclear physics now I don't say that. Na watro enti bia obekire no week 1 week 2 week 3 bia obe remedial teaching enti obesan confirm bia
physics na HSN
o say
physics na HSN your kind of
nuclear physics eno ye sa ye niema efa on say nneɛma bu a wonfo ani hu but yɛfa the nucleus the cell ne saa nneɛma no say yɛkɔgyegye ahoɔden te sɛ yɛyɛ bombs and saa nneɛma ni nyinaa and the nuclear nneɛma bebree
Israel for the
the outcome of it but a teacher for am it my crowd na how is government carrying you people along obro ni be say asem no watch mu ye mo mate ase it my crowd so afi de ye be wa mo license asa na mo akira de na ebeboa mo dwuma no wɔ kwan ben so eno ne nkoma ye die e wa Asem Kesee so saa bro betimi afrɛ na wachira wadwe ni teacher ni teacher for mesra mo o de offer na ompeso bebo de teacher for de
unu be teacher ni kura nya o de tiri
omu ye hu
ah omu nya mema papa ebi ye mema papa
na bi se no omu kasa
ebi sura de dan no doctor for kolebu for wo ma pharmacy for ya wo ma ntiro ma de na democracy yate o
so first
ebi tiro ma de papa obi o be tira na de so de no kwatutu mu a ne no wo trouble papa no mo trouble
omu ya timid kakra omu sura de you so go can CS ever find the whole time CS and find the whole time director be find the whole time
yeah de no kwatutu
yet me time ebinum pay slips edc
o wi atire me wo ho
o say
tire me deputy minister education o ye pe ye be kwa report
o em senior attachment
o ye be report
o em senior attachment secondary school ala chirema no pe me chia abusuafo nyina chia attachment secondary school fo nyina chia
ma ka ko se bo bia ye 419 na nipa ro ye 419 Charles Opon de ne efra be tira ha se ne ba sebe ne do dem ne ba open nursing school di ama no a be ka say abrantie bi se wo academics head of academics so Koforodua nursing training say 419 what ye 5 billion na die baby a wo se bia me minim so wo hwem tamieku meti one time sure ya ni bi de da wo sura de afare ade a wo bi asebe de ni edidem e na akobu no na me betua aka papa
ya me fa phone call so no 0302221170 221170 and 221704 alternatively with me send a text or 1760 and our email kabatmanjoonline.com and also
and be share me Instagram omo to me the fa ho brefo na ya one word brefo na ya ene e kaba pictures da no ekọ ECG say na fu picture din na me twa ne egu ya betimi akohwe bi wi ya wo de comment ato aso meka ni
ya kwa LMle good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Who is teacher ni?
Oh, one time I'm a child.
One time teacher. Are you? Chirawadrin.
Yeah, me free say me can chair Jomo Chairman Gideon. And I'm chair me MP on Abo Marco Favor and me come and Isaac James and Deputy Mr. Michel. The concern is very good. It will help some of these teachers know. They are very, very, we say, other some attitude being to almost say their pay is always on government pay into attitude is very bad. Yes, so move away the bad knack from them and move education standard. Now, another pedestrian making education let me is so sustainable. I have a problem with some of these teachers now. I have a problem with these teachers because the people say almost class because a matter say. Because you chair on card, be any rights of it to stop one car from Ghana payroll system. So they behave just like that. Inti, a bit to make the standard, just give them lances to strengthen the education standard. Education standard.
Okay, teacher, bless you, bro for Baba. If you are your jumbo birthday, sana a year or two for Nusuman Quahene, and another pay each year, papa, and the birthday your china, a bath for Suman Quahene, son or see a canoe. Okay, and Nasuman Quahene, and what to the post. Ba for suman kwa hene ano two for suman kwa hene wo kira wa wo da ba for na me hira won to nkwa dem na ja won hira wo sa na bi nso ye so Yesu di ba for tua ne phone ka so
na so wo bo ase no pe ye chia ye nkwa homa no so ye nua wo so akwa ba obani ase du ye mo ache
o ka ba no jo so no pe na mo mpom se se
ye ho ye mi eje o
yo singa fa fo so mo chia pa na ne koma asem ti me fa ntia so nkoma se ma smile wa so e ki bia ne ko to abama na tada like wa sante mampo ye tro mo to abama no na me de license so de me fo so papa because me kra mbe assembly member teachers there for and I'm discover say omonye teacher for
and so I'm a trad. Oh, or trad here or dear Katia, and so on course school, we are only secondary school crown and so on. So what a few was set out, they tried it. It's a license from the camera. And you do actually this something I'm cramming. ID card, I see I'm a number, you know. It is was a pass up by why you know with some what do about this? If you want the license and the was where the boy. I'm in charge 2 p.m. I can't tell
you. Or say Dr. Nana Kwame appear and cancer or Mother Love Hospital, Adenta, one of your Dr. F441 and cancer. If you William obeying a hot no day, but was switching out papa.
Kakra, oh, hey, if we Taifa Bokina, ultimate phones, and our Ochre, yeah, family phone,
ultimate phones. Kakra, ultimate phones, let us say.
One family phone,
ultimate phones, woman. Kakra, ultimate phones.
Mechanic, one family phone,
oh. Kakra, yeah, for attachment, come white.
Yeah, go ask Antiman Paul. Careful, so MPM watching.
But you're so many Akaban, I'm what to say.
What corner so call Lone Ranger?
There be that less.
Yeah, but on a quite to say, another no more about to be any send another in the baby.
Oh, Ubenya, no worry. No Bakawaya, no Bakawaya.
And a 5 year, Mammy Party more than Emma, the champion incoming chairman, smaller, and that day no copy in the form. Your best, baby, and we have to be quiet. And what you have to for, said you're breaking in Honjo, no pen cabo muntino, Obianto Nabamana, no man, say a party, said you're between the party. Now, no, I may come out of the preoccupation, Miniaba. The overhead lances here, they better for a idea, Maniaji, who be papa. Ghana, Hankwana, 20 teachers, a stem qualadia, 7 previous or multimintra. Next, Omar, as a sentient channel. No, Coco, Radia, no Makakuta. It is a unia, the land is so, no one, Maria. I want you to be a man, as you win him up.
That's a huge argument. Now, also, studio, I started near cameraman be Adom, come on, say. Oko public schools are supposedly on Clanin pass it. So private schools are pass it. A lot of factors.
But teacher for public school, my dear. Tell me, I simply. Computer technology. Computer technology.
Okay.
Was say Nana Kwame Osco or Boise and our was say Africa papa. Now your wife and another only public service with a lot of condition is the Ghana Education Service, which is not essential and do not come to stay or nor benefit anybody. Nedia with Yaba and no.
Gato, good morning.
Good morning, Kaba. Mamentiana na ya brefo Aisha mawisi nyameke
Adole.
Na ete Obadisi awadano ho tukuba. Ujesi amafo tuano pasa. Nana, na mama kwenya dia mamentiam incoming chairman Somala Ibrahim awa waso. Na mentia Kofi Adams, Kofi Samuel.
Yes.
Kofi
National Organizer.
Auradia na mamentiam ni Kofi na matia dada lesson so asante mampon. Na Peter Fuata ma beto ti dia mamenka kakra. Peter Fuata bi bo mo mo de pa o nana. Na nso proye wo mutia ma adwuma na ye de ho. Inti license no media me hu ni say dabua papa because the police report me the matter ade osisi ye no Peter Fuata de o license be ko akiri papa o mo to buduru ba bia na o mutu ayi me so me license bi ga me na me nko anya se teaching ko a dabua wo so many food now bo mo so nya ne de and ye dey be you must because big quiet na ma emetra de mo bi pass na you teacher training na kwala no be si me ye me police if you be you mo nyina free na di mapa na akoso
era se oraye ama amponsa anapay wo se me e man ibola kra ye nyere hu na ye nwie na mpapa bi na msesa nkware why ibola US for crasuru no bogolo anapay jomoro usuchi omomo ho nyina da afi ofufro de osana na I wish my son Brian Yaw entry of Yesu School Doma Ahinkro happy 10th birthday if John entry chiabodom ho ene wo de bai
ya kwa ma so nana ye mo ache
ya ejaminia
patra hin fana afrefi
ifrefi
kuma se mietio
minia min te dintia Ghana hase in time one ye pese eniema emredi atwemu enkoyi na edu right pese enkoyi a na ebimu resist adintra ye wo oman mu ha na early this year district back. Look at the number of teachers. Research says, women train, but no woman GS payroll, so woman draw salaries. Yet there are no attorney here. Institution Ben and Ghana here. Young licenses. Now, teacher phone call Bible licenses generated so many controversies. It's in the right direction. Yamma Ghana Education Service, Council, and Yomajuma. We find me here NDC and DP. Yamma institutions in Yajuma said you go Obama and the kind of Ghana.
Boss, I want them and I pay was say registering teachers is good, but I wish the registration will be done by serious consultation of us teachers, not the way they did single spine teacher Nina or Kanasam. Or say, please, I want to ask, what has teachers' licensing got to do with their ability to teach well? Prince Boatin the Fikibi and Edebayo for the Odifi Aximo say, what the Yamias some the parish priest, Reverend Francis Paul, a Wa, Asandin about Ghana, a free Imaho, and our Debai.
You ever call man, so still with me, they also want to share their brain 1760 and also email cover@myjoyonline.com and nanaya.brief@myjoyonline.com. 2 p.m. I am watching.
You also cover.
You be here there.
Wow, we say Kumasi Bruno Baku said being a man, and about said that by Yamina at 2 p.m. Medano and Mampoa. Now, but also mean about and I have for more idea.
Yamiadom, Yatiasi, I want to hop up. Me too.
Yakupo shall match Mr. True. Say on to market to because you mana more, you know.
Amen. Amen.
Empire 2 p.m. Man and I and cover.
One copy I am a physically be brave. Amen.
Mate, Ubi a much me about my phone. As well as some way fast, Sakoya Juma. You want to wear heading. Come on, Yakupo shall in your band. Now, I don't pay it. William, the champion, Mr. Thomas Kwabena Driver. One Augustus Andrews and a big edu so bad for Western region. I said I want to go to Somalia no confirm form. Say I mean inshallah.
Asana chairman Central region Lotejo Corps. Me dem pesa o. When did come?
Asana
de ko ka greater Accra. Asana after our Asem. What of you?
Yeah, quite seven so. Unia,
Daniel campaign.
Beba, na mestre, share salaries in Shepherd. May 2 p.m. Me who say, Anke, a year, a beboa. Not peanuts, no more war, they say, teaching, no. Yet, you win, because, Mother. So when the payroll now say teachers be 77 Bukurana, I forget he Bukurano on day, or the question idea. Minim Krubi or Asantema for teachers or Sira dem Crano, or Mutimi we say as you know, maybe over free. Yemen, Gemana, or Panidibano. Yen I enter, she have a pay Mojima. That allows so Mamma share on the revenue Jamboa.
As Papa, Yanka says sound man, Gregory Ajamayana pay Chason Kokoma or Sekaba. This license issue will worsen the already frustration of the GES, and teachers don't know nothing about this. No pre-preparation or whatsoever. They will continue to be shortage of teachers. There are better supervisions they must put in place than this. Way free mark. What
I say, papa. The papa yes, but the problem is that Ghana has a policy. There's a policy disconnect. There's a policy disconnect. Nipanwa implementing policy in India man. How are you carrying the person? Oh, and only now the boss Anthony Abai Fakabo Utim Laura. Salute you.
Tom mine.
Wafu in Amos so ya chair.
Oh, yeah, and Neduma Meboa.
What's it?
Naneduma,
what me made them.
Nana Diacoso.
Over flower house on the pay washing.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Would you never be afraid of you?
What from Nana? Me free Peter Friday.
Nana Casa, me too.
Me a teacher. But them monitoring now warrior the radar. Monitoring, supervision, training college. Final year, warrior. Now, echo investor, educational, echo internship, that monitoring supervision and all this. But no problem, people teaching
when they are recruited to the service, that monitoring that supervision 1 year. I want a program no work. I want a program, but program invest in the training colleges. I want that you know what other. But people teaching no. Now what one call service cinema. One more one. Them monitoring that supervision. I don't know. They are just recruiting to the service and they start teaching. And see them. I want all the washing. No washing again. That's it.
Yo, honestly, I don't know. Honorable Prince, who are so look to sign up.
Kojo asale bafo e champon umpementi and now the medina to did say no marker anybody
and then where ya samoja yes
Honorable Prince koso menti na na ya
what
na ahoma credit shaka credit
kachire no upekasa
na ya brefo say na to kan na Chema Gideon Elias onyame ogofa ne form e wa half 3 ntimi kwa tike mu ameko ye do ma ye de ko no e go fa form so no ene ye ko
mo ko ta
original chairman na original chairman wonu na fo na natuku kaba papa ne sile o si pe wa che de bio mo se o se na abela ka baba na abela ka baba ene na hu ena no pe wa flash me champa le ka ka baba ka wa ba na so mo wa trazie wo so what yawo na kaba ese mama go fa baba teacher sem a abai say o so mo nyom card no am so adiri bia president jo Muhammad be bia no Ghana fo mi na mo me yusum because
politics no we president na dey ba o GS council na dey ba why
thank you say o me na dey ba be na ban be so ama ban dey say it's yes no mo teacher for mo so sad dum no mo ma o man nka say nkon kai because o man here yen to so ti bia ka mo for card say na card ni kutamo na je mo de kira de na won na ba bi kwa na etime stress ma o say teacher ni wo kuta card asuma ti wo de say ndi sade no mo da ba na de the bomb pen so na ba so pa say o meti ba bomb de any time they say o be to kwam apo ma teacher for so di because e ba de sa so a be bomb teacher for so ti ba mu say ampa say na o go na ko na ya wa o ti say and day and I will hear Chema Gideon. Somebody kakacho. Take Chema Gideon.
I'll say our applied for upgrading since 9th of June, but my upgrading letter is not ready for up to date. At the end, I'll say government will pay only 3 months arrears. It's sad. Abraham Nan, the Fisominya, buy. Shiftman Waton, so this IMF thing rather worsen the hardship of Ghanaians, and it will show as that indeed we have elected a visionless president. Shiftman, ya watu studia wa deba na Nabranto.
Na Nabranto na pay watching.
Mejo so kaba.
Bibia e.
Nyame adom ti boko. He say the blues camp na ekoso.
Wait for who here there.
Eh, wait for who here. Say over the blues camp when you be pa kaba.
Yeah, the nyame asemi o.
Kaba. Oh, no ma binu ha ebe koso ma Ghana mai akoso. Wo de am nchia me ankasa me boss MC Akibu Dauda. Professor Jabafo. Ena SS wabu ya assembly ma. Uko SS wabu bro no so a. Juma papa wo bo edi bua ni bro no so. Masa anwonwasem akire beka nwasem. Eye sa lance to nwasem na ye ka no. Ye besere emura mu life ma ye. Send be ya sie bia mba teacher for life mu obi anyere ho nya adwuma ti no. Lance to no back aba. Ebe bua ama Ghana mai akoso. Ye ma lance to nya adwuma pa. Bidase.
Kabusu Laura for share papa na Laura for trose na mse ho. Ontia Laura na amame. Ene obekọ na aka so de brofo a wo mtetwi kura se ho. Enti wonyere no ho nya adwuma se dia esene fata. Happy birthday to Mercy. Anakwa enoma kind that I'll please. When are you going to marry? Helena and Edifi Mumford Edebaye. Helena, I don't know. Please, I'm not getting the line. I line the ayane moire parent in the obebre. Also, those who went for promotion last year were replaced with different lists in Bronga Hafo. Licensing, if it would be devoid of money extortion, then it is welcome. And also, you idea had the teacher follow. One much that a GS and penny for being a good Kurano kwa ya no amoju sika corruption kata se wo mo edi nipa say bia wo ya na wo mo ya transfer kura ti so kotua ho ansa ya transfer oni ade na ebi ka no say wo mo hwe na license no man dis go
but ye fa frefo twa to na ye nko Jonathan, good morning. Una uchato.
Kaba.
Yes.
Membe.
Naba.
Mesi bongo for the dia show.
Oh, marafo. Mary ho. Yeshia o tamale kwa confirm kra wan timi afa ma afa na bet.
Oh, tria kwa.
Marafo, Mary ho kan intem na free line so o kra won.
Jawa se.
Uba tamale dia be na kwa.
Oh, jai.
Yedu tamale wa timi anye ogu.
Na dem ni kaba na kwa ya wo so say.
Na ya na ni refi tamale na misumi obi.
Kaba na kwa.
We mamu kase bebre me say second coming be back.
At the end of the second coming.
Ya kan de Aisha yinama. Dembe
Na ba
la wane.
la raso.
Yes, ya kati ke fo asem de me bo. Be answer me call me tia bongo police service. Ko for mu bojuma papa. O je nan kan de police for be to an obi adwane ko. But the fear me see the way an ko for bojuma o ka me bodnia ne ko community me wie o ka save na. Me see bongo police for na IGP ya da ma asini papa wuti
ya that's papa
the ko teachers for asini na ya
o sa o
police ya mo dia ba ade papa but the only thing I question is because how sustainable will it be o sure president Barack Obama ba Ghana can be was it the only thing Ghana can develop if you bet man maintain it very well. But the issue of the matter is that most at times we say GHS no sorry Ghana GHS who said mostly the politics that's always single span by obiaji to me say yes I had the papa but see I should be I could do so the best slap by now as well as Ghana education service and say at least politics now are more the ban they should let it be sustainable apart from that no politics now yeah where
Jonathan kwana kasa tintin say me dey bi Sam e wo pankro no o say GS4 should rather help or more much that the fear na ye ntu omoka no na ye ntu omoka
anopa yemfa chiasron konfama Asante Richard onso so ye teacher ya wardrobe na mu radio station nzeze ye onso wajai ti saso na yenia also utrofi tiobodom teacher entry o say license na ya depa ne mom no womo ede yi hunahuna mpanifo no mo de post hunahuna mo no ya no mo ntwa so well ye de si na ye kro no na ye kwakofa who can see ne dia brel adamaje na eba meba
no adamaje
enti ye wia na ye de eye ahosepe dwumedie so ato aso ansa na pensi mu aba o text message ni aba no ye ba be kinkan na afi ye ne mpanifo atena ase menko ba bia ye ba sisia